Hey guys, Dave here. Got the 2014 Ram behind me. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna throw some new seat covers on it. So after 265,000 miles, the driver's seat's looking a little rough. So we got some new seat covers from Coverado we're gonna throw on here. So stay tuned. All right, let's get this opened up and see what we're working with. Oh man. That's all the seats. Look at that. So Coverado. Alright. So I like it. Looks like here's our headrest. It's actually pretty well packed. Got our seat cushions, looks like. Alright, let's get this installed. Alright, so this is what my current driver's seat looks like. You can see it's a little rough. Not bad for 265,000, but it definitely seen better days. The other seats, they all look fine. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna start with the seat back. I noticed you don't have to pull the headrest to put these covers on, so I'm gonna pull the headrest anyway. Because it's just easy, you know. You just two buttons there, pops out. So that's what we're gonna start. All right, look, I'm so excited about this. There's the back. Still has a pocket. So far the quality seems pretty on par, man. Like I'm digging it. So let's raise this up so I can get a nice, so I can clear all this. Got little snap buttons at the top. So I need to, looks like I need to twist it a little bit. I'm gonna put the seat back. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get the seat cushion, get it on, and then we'll go through and we'll do all the tie-ins on the back. So this is where I've noticed on seat cushions. You have your L for left, and the other one has the R for right. So we're gonna go that route. So. Alright, so tucking this little buckle behind the plastic trim here. So I kind of pulled out a little bit and I can see straight through. So this is going to go around the bottom and took it back to the back there. So I'm just going to get this tucked in behind there so I can get it and give myself a little more room so I can get to the front here. Hope I'm not blocking the camera too much. Because I do want a nice kind of finished look here. So I'm gonna finish buttoning all this up. Be right back. So the kit does come with instructions, and it comes with this 20-piece accessory kit for strapping to the bottom of your seat. It's got I believe it's 20 pieces. But yeah, comes with a little bit of hardware. And then I also, as an option, got another 20 piece. So I have the bottom cushion, and the back is installed. Everything's clipped on the seat except for the front here. So I'm thinking we'll go with some of these bad boys here. Just gotta open them up a little bit. Little gap. Pretty sure you can see that. Yeah. Put that on there. And now this, we can reach under the seat and we can hook to one of the wire frames or the one of the bars under the seat. There we go. All right, let's get the headrest covered. I'm gonna say that's wrong just by looking at it. Here, let's put that. This way. Oh, okay, I like that better. Let's pick this up. Slide test. Oh, that's actually quite grippy. So slide. Well, it doesn't seem to be moving. And that back, no, that's already, notice it's not puffed out anymore. Just gotta get in there, get some weight on there. All right, there's one seat down, the driver's seat. All right, here, let me pull you off here and let you take a look. All right, this is what we're looking like. You can see here, I don't know, don't mind the trash under there if there is any. Where I hooked the clips, that bar down there. Headrest, back. All right, it has been, what, 2 days since I installed this? Done a lot of driving around. Running a lot of errands and stuff. So my thoughts on the seat covers: you don't slide around at all. The covers themselves don't slide around. Heated seats still work. You still feel them through the covers. Not only that, man, they look just killer. I mean, those some gorgeous seat covers. So I'd say overall, I'd give it a 9.9 out of 10. Good job, Coverado. I think you got a nice design. Plus, the pleats on the back, like no kidding, like this part. it feels great. Just saying. So I think you've done a great job overall, and I'm definitely going to recommend them. Overall thought was 100% positive. So we'll just see what else. I'd like to see a steering wheel cover that kind of goes with the design. I think that'd be awesome. I would definitely buy that. And I don't know, just thought, you know, the steering wheel cover I've had on my truck for, I don't know, I probably had this cover on here for 8 years probably. And I'm not even that big of a Titans fan, but if I had something that matched these seats, I would definitely put it on there. So anyway, that's just my 2 thoughts. Seats look great, and I look forward to seeing if we can get a steering wheel cover. Just, you know. Anyway, I will catch y'all later. This has been my review of the Coverado seat covers. Thank you. See you on the next one.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.